Number 1. 1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, with 123,000 miles and a manual transmission. Finished in black with a blue interior, it is equipped with a 350 V8 engine paired with a Bulldog 4-speed gearbox. The engine runs strong, the transmission shifts smoothly, the clutch operates properly, and the 4WD system is fully functional. The truck is structurally solid overall, with a clean underside and straight body panels that retain good panel gaps and body lines. The truck has only minor rust for its age, including rust along the bottom of the passenger door, a small rust spot where the driver's side floor pan meets the rocker panel, and a quarter-sized hole in the rear bed floor. The paint appears to have been scuffed and coated with clear coat, giving it a driver-quality finish rather than a professional repaint. It also has a small oil leak where the timing cover meets the oil pan, along with a minor drip from the power steering return line. Despite these imperfections, the Chevrolet 1500 offers a strong mechanical foundation and would make an excellent candidate for restoration or continued use as a dependable classic 4x4 project. Number 2. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,250, powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 engine with only 52,000 original miles. Paired with an automatic transmission, the truck delivers smooth performance, while its 4x4 system engages perfectly for dependable capability in a variety of driving conditions. Finished in a blue exterior with a gray interior, it has been well cared for and presents itself in excellent overall condition. The frame and rocker panels are in great shape with no signs of rot, highlighting the truck's solid foundation. It also features the rare third-door configuration, offering added convenience and practicality. With a clean title, a strong running engine and transmission, and exceptionally low original mileage, this 2000 Chevrolet 1500 is a desirable and well-preserved truck that is ready for its next owner. Number 3. 1977 Ford Courier, price $6,995. It has been driven only 16,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. Finished in a striking orange exterior with a tan interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has spent its entire life in California and comes with its original owner and a clean California title. The truck runs and drives well, making it an excellent example of a classic compact pickup that has been carefully maintained over the years. The body is in outstanding condition with straight body lines throughout, reflecting the care it has received since new. The interior remains in great shape, with the exception of the dash pad, and a new battery has recently been installed for added reliability. Combining originality, low mileage, and solid overall condition, this 1977 Ford Courier is an excellent opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a genuine classic truck. Number 4. 1982 Ford F250, price $10,000, powered by a reliable 351 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 119,000 miles, it features a clean white exterior complemented by a blue interior and runs on gasoline. The truck starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives as it should. Having been garage kept for most of its life, it has retained its original paint and body, both of which remain in remarkably well-kept condition for a vehicle of its age. The interior is equally impressive, with its original cabin remaining in stunning condition and showing very little wear. The headliner is still intact and presentable, although it does have some minor sagging. Combining originality, careful ownership, and solid mechanical condition, this truck represents an excellent opportunity for anyone looking for a classic Ford pickup that is ready to be enjoyed while still offering plenty of vintage character. Number 5. 1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has been driven only 1,000 miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and is finished in a bold red exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a timeless yet aggressive appearance. It has also been fitted with all new door and window seals to improve overall fit and weather protection, while the addition of Apple CarPlay brings modern convenience to the driving experience. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a 350 small block Chevrolet SBC engine fitted with an ACES EFI system and a completely new fuel system, offering improved reliability, smoother performance, and modern drivability. Further enhancing its appeal, the truck features a full custom exhaust system, a dependable 700R4 automatic transmission, and a lowered suspension that sits on eye-catching 22-inch American racing wheels. The body has only very minimal rust, making it a solid example of a well-maintained and thoughtfully upgraded 1985 Chevrolet 1500 that is ready to be enjoyed. Number 6. 1997 GMC Sierra Classic 1500, price $8,500, finished in white with a gray interior. powered by a completely rebuilt 350 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck is listed with 1,000 miles since the rebuild, while the odometer shows nearly 300,000 miles. The air conditioning features a brand new compressor and blows ice cold, while the heater works perfectly. The transmission has recently been serviced and shifts smoothly, and the truck starts, idles, and drives exceptionally well with no leaks, smoke, warning lights, or shifting issues. It features a recently completed at-home paint job that presents well, refurbished 20-inch wheels, a lowered 4/6 suspension, a bed cover, and new LED lighting throughout. The interior has been modernized with a Kenwood WDAN touchscreen stereo featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, complemented by a SCAR 2000-watt amplifier and a 15-inch subwoofer. Other upgrades include an aftermarket exhaust with a refined rumble, a new starter, an oil catch can, a kill switch, and an aftermarket alarm with remote start. Number 7. 1978 Ford F-250, price $8,900, powered by a 400 V8 engine paired with a desirable 4-speed manual transmission. It has been driven 147,000 miles and continues to run and drive well. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this gasoline-powered truck has retained most of its original paint. Although there is some surface rust on the hood and the top of the cab, there is no rust-through, highlighting the truck's solid structural condition. Several important maintenance items have recently been completed, including the installation of a new carburetor, a new battery, a new headliner, and a fresh oil change, helping ensure reliable performance. The truck is also equipped with dual exhaust, power steering, and power brakes for an improved driving experience. With tires that have approximately 95% tread remaining, this F-250 is ready to be enjoyed immediately, making it an excellent option for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a mostly original, dependable classic Ford pickup. Number 8. 1994 Ford Ranger, price $4,000, powered by a 4.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 149,000 miles on the odometer and features a black exterior with a gray interior. The truck runs and drives well, and its clean condition inside and out makes it an excellent choice for a first-time truck owner or anyone looking for a reliable daily driver. The truck is mechanically sound and performs well on the road. The air conditioning system requires the AC compressor clutch to be replaced, and the driver's side window is off track. But aside from these minor issues, the pickup remains a good-running and dependable vehicle that is ready for its next owner. Number 9. 1988 Mazda B2200, price $3,000. It has been driven approximately 115,000 miles. It is equipped with a manual transmission and a gasoline engine, complemented by a tan exterior and a brown interior that give the truck a timeless, vintage appearance. It starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives well, reflecting the care it has received over the years. Its straightforward design and dependable performance make it an appealing option for anyone looking for a practical and collectible classic truck. The truck is reported to be in great overall condition, with only one known mechanical issue that should be addressed. The timing components will need to be replaced, as the timing chain tensioner produces a noticeable rattling sound while the engine is idling. Despite this, the vehicle continues to run and drive without major problems, making it a solid candidate for someone willing to complete the repair. Number 10. 1999 Ford F-150, price $2,500, with a reliable 4.6L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has been driven approximately 200,000 miles and features a brown exterior complemented by a matching brown interior. The truck also comes with power windows and power seats, adding comfort and convenience to its overall package. Although the truck is currently not running, driving, or starting, it is being offered as is. Its body remains straight with no dents, making it an excellent candidate for someone looking for a restoration project, a reparable truck, or a dependable source of parts. With its solid body condition and desirable V8 drivetrain, this F-150 offers plenty of potential for the right buyer.